Yang tabiriba khwai pumna mukpu tenzing pukham amna ikong no khurumjari adomna yengbiriba si Brainwave quiz season 2 gi episode 3 ni. We have Brainwave quiz season 2 akhoi gi Manipur sida leiriba school gi satra khudimakna preliminary round amakak compete tawduna madudagi akoina 27 teams khangatuna 27 teams adu koina pool khaidoktuna team ahum semaga total 9 pools semaba tungda ngasi team C pool C gi team A, B amasung C asi compete tawgadabani. Brainwave quiz season 2 is sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kaitel Takhalimam Khonjin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Yangthang, City Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Pictorials. So we have with us Pool C gi team A, B amasung C. Team A da Memorial Model Academy Yaripok, team B dana Little Flower School, amasung team C dana Al Eden School Haibong Makong. Episode 3 asigi quiz competition asida punna round manga laigani. First round general awareness round, second round current affairs and IT round, third round audio and visual round, fourth round buzzer round, and the last round mixed bag round. Round manga ase koina chatha jajingai mangjauna na koi gi team A, B amasung C dagi isa gi ming amasung leifam aduga isa gi standard koi gi yengbiriba Impact TV gi khwai pumna makta amamam tang oina takpina baning singjari. Team A dagi hojage team A.
I am Tanya Lakshmi Oinam and I am in 8th standard. I am representing my school Memorial Model Academy.
My name is Prina and I am in 8th standard. Today I am representing Memorial Model Academy.
Okay, team B.
I am Mridula Sharma of class 9 and I am representing Little Flower School.
I am Bashmim Anjarita of class 9 representing Little Flower School.
I am Rizwan coming from Haibong Makong Mayang Imphal. I represent in Al Eden English School.
Okay.
I am Anes from Haibong Makong Mayang Imphal. I represent from Al Eden English School studying at 8th standard.
Okay. So team A, B amasung C yamunna instructions sing si tabiraga nervousness amasung sada pakhat paphawduna yam phajana answer khumbinaba ningsingjari. So all the best ko. Shall we begin? On the first round is the general awareness round, which is also called the account opening round. General awareness round asida question manga laigani. Each team will have a direct question. Direct question amamam phangani team khudingmakna aduga karigumba team aduna questions adu ahan bagi chance aduda khumba ngamdaba taragasu will give them a second chance. Ahan bagi chance adu khumba taragadi they will be awarded 10 points. And any super chance to the kariguma kumba taragana they will be awarded a bonus of 5 points. Team A dagi howzage we have the 5 options here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Team A, please select your question.
Option number 2.
Option number 2. So the question is Quit India movement was launched by India in the year dash. Option A is 1939, option B is 1940, option C is 1941 and option D is 1942. Your countdown starts now.
A.
Option A and choose to be. Let's check the answer. It is found incorrect. Option A 1939 see lali. So you have one more chance. Chance amasulari. So your countdown will begin now. You have 3 options.
C.
C. So the second option they have selected is C 1941, which is still incorrect. The correct answer is option D, that is 1942 Quit India movement ko akoige August Kranti movement haina ju khangnaba adugumba British rule gi against the World War II gi manungda chathagiba adugum movement amakhagni. So the next question is for team B. Team B, option 1, 3, 4 and 5. Please choose your question.
Option number 1.
Option number 1. Your question is percentage of oxygen in the atmospheric air is approximately. Option A is 19%, option B is 20%, option C is 21% and option D is 22%. Your countdown will start now.
C.
C, which is 21%. Let's check the answer. And it is correct. So congratulations, Team B. I'm chumna kumbirei. Now we'll move on to Team C. Your options are 3, 4, and 5. Team C. Option number can be.
Option number 3.
Option number 3. Okay. Now your question is: in our body, at the base of which of the following is pituitary gland located? Option A is heart, B is brain, C is eyes, and D is lungs. Your countdown will start now.
C.
C. Okay, C, which is eyes, which is incorrect. Chance amasu leriko. Aduna. Your countdown will start now.
B.
B. Okay. B is brain, which is correct. Pituitary gland. Yamna important oiba adugumba gland amakhakni koige growth and development the mari leinaba adugumba gland amakhakni. So congratulations to all the team. Akoigi round 1 asi loikraba matungda mathangi round current affairs and IT round da amuk laage. Current affairs and IT round is the round of direct questions. Masidadi akoi options yauroroi ko. Options 1, 2, 3 and 4 yauroroi. Team kudimak akoi direct question amamam khumbagi chance phangani, and if you are not able to answer the question will be passed on to the next team. Mathangda pass on tawani, and you'll get a bonus points of 5. And if correct, you'll get a you'll be rewarded at 10 points. Aduna, we have 5 questions with us. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll start with Team B. Team B, please choose your question.
Option number 2.
Option number 2. Question is yengasi. Which leading computer software business created programs like Spreadsheet, Word and PowerPoint? Your countdown will start now.
Microsoft.
Please say again.
Microsoft Excel.
Okay, Microsoft. Second, Team B. Let's check the answer, which is correct. Alright, so congratulations, Microsoft na Spreadsheet, Word, and PowerPoint asi dugumagi software si puthokpani. Now the direct question is for Team C. Team C da mulak charage. Team C 1, 3, 4 and 5 ni leriba option asi.
Option number 5.
Okay, 5. In what position have we? Karamba position the Manipur se tarakige have akoigi national games, 36 national games asida. So we'll start the countdown already.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Countdown is start to grabanina and repeat tarpadu the ka. Okay, so Team A the pass or A, Team C na question city pasana khangbire ko.
6.
6th position is not correct, so Team B. Team B the mulak chage. Second is also incorrect. Actually, the correct answer is 9th position with 20 golds, 10 silvers, and 20 bronze. Finally, Manipur na 9th position tarakibani. Now, the next question, direct question is for Team A. Team A the Lakshargi. Team A, the questions left are 1, 3, and 4. Please select your question.
4.
4 can be A. Let's check the question. How many bits make a byte? Your countdown will begin now.
4.
4. 4 is incorrect. I'm sorry. The question will pass on to Team B. Team B, how many bits make a byte?
8.
8. 8 is the correct answer. So congratulations. 8 bits make a byte. So Team B, I am chumna kumbir bonus questions. Now, koi makha chathar iba round, have the audio amsung visual round, buzzer round, amadi mixed background is chathar jaringai da. Okay, let's have a look at the score. Score da yengma matamda koi gi hojik se Team B na lead tawduna. Sadly, Team B, which is the Little Flower School, and Team C, the All Eden School of Haibong Makhong is in the second position with 5 points, and Team A is still yet to open their accounts. Makhataba third round, fourth round, and fifth round. Score line is let's have a short break, and we'll be back very soon with the next rounds. Welcome back to Impact TV presents Brainwave Quiz Season 2, sponsored by Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kaitel Takhalembam Konjil, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hyang Thang, City Higher Secondary School Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials. Akoina yengjariba asi episode 3 ni pool C gi team A, B amasung C koida sida leire. Aduna we have our score after the second round. Team B na 25 points kaloina na mangjil thaduna chatli. Team C na 5 points pangduna second position do lairi. Aduga Team A na they are still yet to open their accounts. So we'll move on with the third round of the quiz. I'm sorry, the third round. Yes, the audio and visual round. Audio and visual round. The 5 questions, it may be audio or visual. Audio or visual or with related to a question. The question you'll be rewarded 10 points, and if not, the question will be passed on to the next team, which will get a bonus point of 5 if found correct. So let's begin. Team C Team C, we have the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please choose your question.
1.
1. Okay, we have a picture. The question is, what is this? Have any pictures? Your countdown will start now.
Pass.
Okay, Team C has passed on the question to Team A. Team A, picture se yengaga. What is this, Havani? The question is, your countdown will start now.
Hook. Hook.
Hook. Okay, it is incorrect. Team B.
Anchor.
Anchor. Okay, anchor is the correct answer. Congratulations, Team B. Ships, amadi boat se board over the Shinaba. Anchor. Now, the direct question is for Team A. Team A, the mugla age. Team A, you have questions 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please choose your question.
5.
5 can be A. Okay, we have an audio. Audio si munatarasi.
Is in the automotive area. The automobile business is truly an emotive and a tremendously rewarding business. It has more excitement than any other business I've been involved in, and the greatest pleasure I've had is trying to do something that everybody says could not be done.
So, Ozik speech amakak audio data kare. The question is, who is the speaker? Ozik ngangi ba misak adu kananu tao haibani. Will start the countdown.
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump is not the correct answer. I'm sorry. Team B the mulang chage. Team B.
Pass.
Passed. Team C.
Pass.
Passed. Okay. Team Humakna passed over Matunda will reveal the answer to you. The answer is Ratan Tata, the famous Indian industrialist and former chairman of Tata Group. Magi speech makaki audio matik amani haizabatare. Now, the final question for audio and visual round is for Team B. Team B gi direct question. Team B, please choose your question.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Let's check. Identify the person, Haivani. Picture se munna yenga. Your countdown has begun. Okay. The question kumba ngamdre hai na lower ge team C da laksage team C.
USA Prime Minister.
USA Prime Minister, no. It's not the correct answer. Team A.
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. The answer is correct. Team A ne am chumna khumbirakre. Jeff Bezos, which is the executive chairman of Amazon. That was the third round, audio and visual round. Yam nungaina. Team ahummak na yam phasana khumbirakre. Now we have the scores with us. Team B is still leading with 30 points and Team A has scored their marks of 5 and is running together with Team C. Team A amasung C yam manana chatli aduna Team B na lead tawri. We have more rounds, that is the buzzer round and the mixed bag round. So before we begin the buzzer round, buzzer round gi instructions khara team singda thamjage. Buzzer round sida akoi gi question manga laigani. Question manga si I'll not be reading out. Aina question amamam select tawraga ai padi pathora aroi. As soon as you see the question on your screen, noigi mangda leiriba buzzer adu press tawraga khwaidagi hanna press tawraba team aduna magi buzzer gi sound adu akhoida lakani adugi buzzer dugi nammi mi dugi matungina will give the chance to answer. Karingumba chumna khumbirakpa taragadi you'll be rewarded 10 points and if found incorrect you'll be rewarded a negative points of -5. Okay, so be alert. Akoigi isagi khut to buzzer gi mamang da thamdana ready tawraga leibiro. There are 5 questions, 1 2 3 4 and 5. I'll choose the question and I'll not be reading out. You have to press the buzzer as soon as you finish reading your question if you know the answer. Okay, we'll start with question number 2. Okay, Team A na press to na hankhre aduna the question is what is the name of a female fox haibani, so please answer.
Beach.
Amtanga hanbiro.
Beach.
Beach. It's not the correct answer, I'm sorry. We don't have the question passed, so the answer has to be revealed. The answer is vixen. Oh. Now we have 4 more questions. Questions Marie Sidegi will go with question number 3. Okay, B. Team B, the question is which is the last state formed in India? Please answer.
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh is not the correct answer. I'm sorry. The correct answer is Telangana. From Andhra Pradesh. You were almost right. Okay. Now, the next question we'll go with 4. Okay, Team A na hana press to bire. Aduna let's see, the question is the earth rotates on its axis from dash avenue. Please answer.
West to east.
West to east is the correct answer, so Team A will be rewarded their points. Congratulations Team A. And now question number 1 amasung 5 khaktamang ngaire. Be alert. Khutto adum buzzer da thambiraga ngaidun leibiro. We'll go with question number 5. Team B, once again, Team B, the question is who founded Brahmo Samaj?
Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy is the correct answer. So Team B, congratulations for the correct answer. The last question of buzzer round, that is question number 1. Let's check the question. Okay, the question is who is known as the father of electricity and magnetism? Team ahumak na khangdre haina lawrage, so we'll reveal the answer. The answer is William Gilbert. Okay, so that was the buzzer round, the 4th round. 4th round loigraba matungda koigi leiriba score asi Team B still lead tawduna chatli with 35 points and Team A has come up in the 2nd position with 10 points, and Team C is in the third position with just 5 points. Then next round asi mixed bag round. Last round su oigadori ni khoi pool C asigi winner asi last round asi nu decide togadori ni aduna team A and B, please be alert. Adu am chumna khumaga, we still have bonus marks to score. Yai ko aduna mixed background asi da khoi question manga legani. Question manga si every team will get each one direct question. Aduga noina correct answer piba taragadi, you will be rewarded 10 points, and if found incorrect, the question will be passed on to the next team. There will be no negative markings. Yani ko. So let's begin the final round of this episode, that is the mixed bag round. We'll start with team A. Team A dagi hojage team A question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 dagi question ama khanbiu.
1.
Question number 1 khanbi dai. Your question is, hail falls from which of the following clouds? A. Cumulonimbus, B. Nimbostratus, C. Cumulus, and D. Stratocumulus. Your countdown will begin.
B.
Okay, B is the wrong answer. I'm sorry. The next chance goes to team B. Team B, the countdown has begun.
Option number D.
Option number D. D hybrid. Okay. Which is still incorrect. So team C.
C.
C. Cumulus. Okay, it is still incorrect. So the correct answer is cumulonimbus, which is formed from severe thunderstorm. Thunderstorm severe oibadagi form tawraga hail asi. Hails fall tahunbani. So we still have 4 questions, and the next direct question goes to team B. Team B the laksage, please choose your question. Question number
2.
2. Question number 2. Let's check the question. Which was the first newspaper to be published in India? A. Bengal Gazette, B. Deccan Herald, C. The Tribune, and D. The Telegraph. The countdown starts now.
The Tribune.
The Tribune, which is option C, is incorrect. I'm sorry. So the question will go to team C. Team C, your countdown will start now.
Option number B.
Option number B, still incorrect. Team A, which was the first newspaper to be published in India?
Option number A.
Option number A, that is the Bengal Gazette, is correct answer. Bengal Gazette haiba James Augustus Hickey na 1780 da, I'm sorry, 1780 da maina hanba oina phongkiba, the first newspaper aduni. So the final question is for team C, right? Team C 3, 4, 5 lady 3, 4, 5 tagi option number can be
4.
4. Your question is, the boundaries of the plates of the Earth's crust are the weak zones known as dash zones. The options are A. Cosmic, B. Seismic, C. Exotic, and D. Cytoplasmic. Your countdown will start now.
D.
D. Am I right? D. Oh, D hybrid. So let's check the answer. It is incorrect. So team A, you still have one more chance.
B.
B, which is correct. So congratulations team A, the seismic zone. Final round mixed bag round asi loikraba matungda, we have the scores on the board. Scores sigi matung inna team C na Al Eden School Haibong Makhong with 5 points is in the third position. Team A, Memorial Model Academy Yaripok with 20 points is in the second position, and the winner of Pool C episode 3 is team B, that is the Little Flower School with 35 points. So congratulations team B, and all the best for the next round. It is second round of Brainwave Quiz season 2. So that was all for episode 3. Episode 3, Pool C winner Team B na takraba matungda yengbiriba mayam pumnamaksu thagatsari. That was all for the Brainwave Quiz Season 2 sponsored by Thoitoi Adventure Park, Sangai Kai Tel Takhalembang Konzin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Yangthang, CT Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials. See you in the next episode, and thank you for watching Impact TV.